Checking energy usage can bring a sense of dread, but for Jonathan Sequeiro, it's dollars in the bank.
Yes, I've taken control. By having the solar panels and our house battery, we don't have to rely on external power sources.
In 2 years, his home solar battery has been a bill buster.
On average, about $3,500 to $4,000 a year is what we've saved.
Decreasing feed-in tariffs means rooftop panels alone aren't the budget saviour they used to be.
Just because you have solar, you're not going to see savings automatically on your bill.
Which is why more households are banking their solar. Solar batteries store unused energy from your panels to use at night time or on a cloudy day. The battery can then power household appliances before any energy needs to be imported from the grid.